Good morning, teacher Salan. My name is Ben. I'm 8 years old. I'm from Vietnam. The capital city is Hanoi. I'm a Vietnamese. I have 4 people in my family. My favorite subject is English. I go to English class on Mondays. Nice to meet you.
Farm Chores. He
He always sweeps the floor. She never takes out the garbage. I sometimes make my bed. He usually washes the dishes. I always water the plants.
how well does he make his bed? He makes his bed before school. That's it. 2.
She walks the dog before school. He does laundry before school. She sets the table after school. He cleans he cleans my room. He cleans
He cleans his room.
his room after school. She washes the dishes after school.
What are Sally's chores?
She always sweeps the floor. She never takes out the garbage. She sometimes cleans the bathroom.
What are Lily's chores?
He usually washes the car. He always vacuums the carpet. He never waters the plants.
Compare the following belongings with your people and 6.
The brown hat is uglier than the purple hat.
2.
The blue socks are bigger than the red socks.
3.
The white t-shirt is bigger than the pink t-shirt.
5.
The purple hat is prettier than the brown hat.
Farm Chores. 下面还没有一些情绪化的方法。
Hello, my name is Ben. I always milk the cows in the morning before I go to school. I usually feed the chickens in the morning and in the evening. I sometimes take vegetables after school. I sometimes collect eggs before school. These are my daily farm chores.
Do you go to school in the afternoon?
No, I don't. I go to school in the morning.
Do you go to bed in the morning?
No, I don't. I go to bed in the evening.
Alright, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.